I don't think there's a debate. Hitting legs after Thanksgiving is probably the best workout. Today I'm going to take you through a torturous post-turkey leg day. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different and post a workout on my Instagram, so if you want to screenshot it easier, go check it out there. I started with lying hamstring curls, then I went into a pendulum squat using a more glute-focused stance. After that I went into a superset doing Smith machine straight leg deadlifts, straight into closed stance leg press. Here we hit hamstrings and then quads. After that I went into another superset, starting with the best glute exercise I've done in a while, a weighted elevated reverse lunge. You want to make sure you lean forward more and you focus on pushing with your glute. The pain you feel from this one is absolutely insane. Straight into a closed stance elevated heel goblet squat to target more of the quads. I then finished with calves, and on the last set doing a rest pause set. Follow the IG for more, and that's why.